In this training series, I will get to teach you all you need to know about using AutoCAD software. I'll be taking you from a beginner's level to an advanced level where you'll be able to use the software comfortably. This training series has been divided into various sessions. Each section deals with various aspects of the use of the software. For instance, Section 1 is on general tutorial on learning AutoCAD. At Section 2, we will be looking at 3D modeling drawing exercises, while Section 3 will be exercises on mechanical drawings. Section 4 will be exercises on architectural drawings. Other sections will be included as we progress in this journey. At the end of this series, it is expected that you will be able to use the software comfortably to achieve any drawing of interest, be it machine drawing, building floor plans, electrical circuit drawings, geographical mapping, surface drawings, or any other area of application. If you have any question challenge in the course of this series, feel free to comment below. I will be happy to answer your questions and help you resolve your challenges. I know you will find this journey to be interesting and educative. I will encourage you to tell your friends and colleagues about what we do in this exciting educative channel. You can support this work by subscribing to this channel, give a like and thumbs up. See you in our next video.